Well, hello folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be bringing out my crock pot. Come on in and sit a spell and see what I'm going to cook up in my crock pot. I had some chicken breast, boneless, skinless, and I thought Thai chicken sounds good to me. I had all the ingredients for this Thai chicken, so I needed to chop up an onion, this white onion. I leave them in the refrigerator. I needed to split in half the chicken breast, open a can of pineapple, reserve later the juice, a can of coconut milk, and there are some spices going in. There's turmeric, about a half a teaspoon, and about a fourth a teaspoon of whatever your taste buds like of crushed red pepper, ginger, about a half a teaspoon, into a little dish because it's going to go dumped all into the coconut milk once you open it up. So let's get going, folks, and get this slow cooker. It's going to take 5 hours. So I'm adding the measured ingredients to my little bowl. When you show a cooking video, you sort of need a lot of dishes. Yeah, there's a lot of dishes wind up in the sink, a lot more than you normally would use. But if you love making videos like I do, you don't care about washing dishes, and I love to wash dishes anyway. So here goes my can opener. This opens so the can itself is never sharp, and the lid is not sharp. I love this can opener. The other can openers I used to have, it used to leave the can sharp, and I'd cut my fingers trying to clean out the inside. So I opened my coconut milk and thought I'd have a little fun with the video. Hope you're not on fast speed because you need regular speed to catch it. Yeah, I like to do stuff like that. I like to play around with the video. And it goes backwards, it goes forwards. Who knows what's going to happen? It went in. Oh, wait a minute, folks. It's coming back out. And then it goes back in. Little fun. So if you missed that, then go back to regular speed and you'll catch it. Okay. So now I just stir up the lumps in the coconut milk, and I add the spices to the coconut milk. Give it a good stir because it'll have to be all incorporated together before it goes into your crock pot vessel. My crock pot vessel comes out. I don't know if all of them have inserts, but mine does. So in goes the chicken breast, boneless, skinless, cut in half into the crock pot vessel. Yes, there you go. You can see it better now. Aren't I special? Giving you a view of the chicken going in. Oh, doesn't that look good? Nothing like a good crock pot vessel full of raw meat. Okay, in goes the onions. Well, I thought you might as well see them going in too. And there you go. There go the onions. And yes, I scrape the bowl all the time. I don't leave any onions behind. No, I don't. Sometimes I'll show it, sometimes I won't. Depends on how long I want the video to be. So in goes the coconut milk with all the spices. And see, I just thought I'd show you. See, I scraped the bowl. I don't leave anything behind. No, I don't. Never leave anything behind. That's wasteful. So then put the cover on your crock pot. Set it for 5 hours. Try and find the knob while you're looking through your cell phone. There it is. Put it on low. Try and find the right place. There you go. 5 hours. Set it and forget it. Because you know what? You're going to have dinner at dinner time. And then I thought, let's be transparent. Why don't we? A few moments later, I'll show you my setup on top of my rice container. And that, I set my phone sideways because I don't have one of those things that hold a cell phone while you're videoing. So I figured out a way to get my cell phone up there while I'm videoing. Just thought I'd show you that. And a few moments later, look what I got to face. Yeah, got a sink full of dishes. I don't mind because dinner's going to be delightful. Well, hello folks. I'm back again. I've done what I had to do today. 5 hours later, I'm exhausted from being awake since 3 a.m. this morning. Well, I'm happy I did the crock pot. I added the pineapple and a little bit of the juice to the crock pot. Then I'm supposed to mix together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water to thicken it up just a little bit. So I did, added it to the crock pot, and then you set it and forget it for about 15 minutes or a little longer if you need to, as I put some rice, just plain white rice, in my Instant Pot, and it takes about not too long, about the same time that the crock pot was waiting. And while the Instant Pot was cooking, I steamed a few vegetables, some broccoli and some green beans, to go along with my dinner. So I dished it up and poured the juice. I really like the juice, so I added extra juice. And I have leftovers in my bowl because my eyes were bigger than my stomach. I couldn't eat it all. But so I placed the vegetables, the steamed vegetables, along the side, and I added a little parsley. Doesn't that look like Princess Leia's hair? Except it's green broccoli. Yes, indeed, I do believe it looks like Princess Leia. I had fun in my Sketchbook Pro. Bye, y'all.